Okay, hello.
Player.
Hey, hello YouTube players.
With approximately 70 variables, not including any dive variables for a suspension, it's fair to say that there is an infinite number of suspension setups. And now, with the possibility of DAS, that's dual axis steering, recently released by Mercedes, that becomes infinity to the power of Grayskull.
Good smooth ride. You can see we have normal suspension. The suspension is upper and lower wishbones, but the difference for us is that we retract the wheels when we get into the water in the same way that an aeroplane retracts its undercarriage.
What the fuck?
Holy shit, dude, what's the matter? What happened?
Without a single iota knowledge of suspension design, God knows why, for some reason, I felt compelled to cut my teeth on a compound 5-bar linkage. It'll be good practice, right? At some point I realised suspensions are three-dimensional and there's nothing symmetrical about them at all. But it looks good in 2D though.
Good smooth ride.
Proceed straight to fail and do not pass go. Suspension design had rolled me over a barrel, so to speak. Battling COVID and other chronic health issues, I was determined to turn the table on this bitch. I'm not really wired for producing tutorials. There are plenty out there anyways. The purpose of this video is to show industry that FreeCAD can handle one of the most complicated systems, if not the hardest design system, in seconds. Think about it. How long have humans been racing for? There is still no one size fits all, and there never will be. As I've said before, there are over 70 variables in the front end alone. I won't go through them all.
Backseat of a Cadillac, chop it up, do or die.